For women, feeling safe is a constant concern. The statistics are alarmingly high, with 1 in 3 women globally experiencing physical or sexual violence. That's why we've developed FrejaTeck, a social rescue system that provides fast response to danger. With just a press of a button, you're connected to a community of responders who could save your life or the life of a loved one. Our network of communities is designed to help women feel more secure and safe in their everyday lives. We aim to prevent sexual and physical assault, reduce anxiety, and make the world a safer place. Stay protected with our innovative safety solution. Our device, equipped with Galileo, Europe's global satellite navigation system, issues warnings about hazardous locations to keep you alert and safe. Our product is the button that helps protect women no matter where they are. The FrejaTeck app and button have already been tested, and we have a prototype ready to be released. Be part of the solution for safer communities. Support FrejaTeck in its mission to provide peace of mind and protection for women everywhere. Stay connected, feel safe. FrejaTeck. FrejaTeck.